Hello everyone, welcome to Fofolicious Food Bites. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to the amazing world of chia seeds. Not only are they a great source of protein, fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, but they are also packed with antioxidants and can help support heart health, weight loss and blood sugar management. So let us dive into making a delicious chia seed pudding. You will need chia seeds, water, and for topping we're using dates, raisin, coconut flakes and groundnut. And we are also using evaporated milk, but you can also use your almond milk or coconut milk for this pudding. Here is the fascinating thing that happens after soaking your chia seed in water overnight or for at least 1 hour. It blossoms. It swells so much. Now, what you're going to do is blend your almond, cashew, dates, and milk together. And the end result is a milky, nutty texture. It's so yummy. As you can see, come closer, come and see. It's so creamy. All right, so now you mix all this creaminess with your chia seed. And now it's time to add the toppings. The raisin, the coconut, the groundnut, the cashew, yes, and even more coconut flakes. And finally, we have a creamy, nutrient-packed pudding that is perfect for any age. Give it a try and let me know what you think. For more easy, healthy recipes, subscribe to Fofolicious Food Bites and hit that notification bell. Please do. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be catching up with you in the next video.